What's up, Seashells? It's Shelby and welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see, we're all ballooned up. Do I have a name for this challenge? No, I don't. When you know I watch? No, I understand. I'm probably like put instructions up on the screen or something. So make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and let's get started.
Alright, so I think this is the best way I can explain this. The aim of the game is for us to pop each other's balloons, but we must stay within the border. The winner of the game is the one who has the most amount of balloons left. You'll understand more as you watch, but this is the best I can do. Alright, let's get into it.
You ready?
Yo, this felt like a fight, bro.
Watch out. Watch out, I'm a cheating on exit.
I'm just going to
Shelby, I'll teach you. Put a balloon after your last one.
Yo, it got so hectic. I started just running in a circle, bro.
Yo, Chad, pop off more.
You still a win?
Still a win.
See balloon then.
Oh, Steve.
No, bro, I just feel like I just fought somebody, bro.
No, that most time we know our next one.
Y'all can take part.
This not done.
That man name most better.
Who's the balloon the boss?
And Mark, get set.
Me?
You said I can turn backwards.
What you got? You got nothing pass it out.
Like,
Hello, hi.
Damn, how'd that happen?
championship.
It's ruined.
Wow.
What am I gonna do now for college?
Hey, Mark, yo, one time since it goes up.
Let's end the game now.
How much balloon you have?
No, man, let's end it. That means someone's order upon killer. Oh.
Guys, the game's getting feisty. Real feisty. Go! Man, walk.
No, Shelby, no, Shelby,
No,
no.
put that way, man.
What Shelby? I'm to your S.
No! No, squares. Squares, not circles.
No, square. Yeah, I know that.
What kind of cat like this, man?
No, Shelby. Shelby behind you. Shelby behind her. Shelby, I got tears on her.
Shelby behind her. That's strategy. What? Sorry, what going?
Let me call you.
Resume. Resume. You cannot put the balloons behind.
Let me put them on the front.
Put them in front. Put yours in front too. Good. No, actually, I understand why I'm not doing that.
Tree for tree.
Yeah. Ready up? Go!
Yeah, you see me want to get her? Slice, you see me?
Look where you gone. How did you do that?
Remember, slice my father.
Face off, man.
Yeah. game seems a lot more enjoyable when there's a rule of like no running.
You mean like a speed walk?
Yeah.
Oh, stay behind them. You're coming out of the square. Sick him! 2-7.
Yo, we cut down the size of the walking in.
No! Yeah, we're small up the circle.
Yeah, small little.
Small up the circle.
Alright, just tell him to stop, yes sir.
And a small up the circle though.
So move that balloon.
I was going if me kill up myself and I win this, you know that.
Bah.
Jalen.
Small up the circle, man.
You know I'm gonna sweat. No, I'm so sweat. Yep. What's even gonna do my sweat? No, like this.
Whoa, you made it.
Come guys.
Alright, you ready?
Ready?
Ready, Lee?
And you want rolling? Yeah? Ready up? Go! Nice, love to see. Small squares, you know?
Team!
That's so like one shot, brother.
Follow the square, people!
Follow the square.
Me a follow the square, team. Me a follow the square.
Fix your balloon them, tighten them up, Shelby. 1 second break to tighten them up.
1.
3 seconds. Alright.
No, team.
He goes in for the hand. He brought up the kung fu. Oh no! Put your balloon in.
Hey, team. See, I think
No! They can't distract me!
This game hurts so much.
Will you turn me? Or upon King turn up? Okay.
Yeah, this is a money game.
No, did it yard then the back of y'all.
What?
Look!
No, female spread out.
Yes.
Look power.
Spread out.
Look power.
Yours up on your side. You just have to fling it around every time.
Her balloons are always away from me.
No. Shannon! Just fling them! Oh, no!
Yo, when I see this,
Look!
instant replay.
Oh, no, man.
No, I can't read it myself.
Yeah, Shelby down. Stop that.
I gave a Borby or a Pakis for that!
Yo, you literally need to add up 3 hours later.
No!
That's below.
Slide, Shelly.
3 hours later.
Grab order. Grab
Why them to behind that?
Get now, Shelly! You're falling. Why nobody can right there? Try.
Oh. We can't do so much. Let's get man.
Whoa!
Score is even.
The score is
2-all.
Show some man a thief, see them here. Papi! Take the next one! Papi!
Not enough fulfilling.
Oh!
That was not fulfilling.
Yeah, let me help you. On the straight line, young man.
Don't make you grippy.
Grippy.
We're not playing with you.
It's over.
Done! You know what you do? You know I love you. Fuck.
No, that ash. Like, damn.
Man, no, always. Next
I thought it was gonna be the quickest game ever. Turned out to be Hunger Games.
No, no. Who know this side, Owen? Me, no. Me, I say Zidii still. I know, can give up in 3 points.
So, but
Yeah. Thanks for watching.
dude,
Make sure to subscribe to the time.
I don't think so.
I don't know why, but I'm
Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe.
Have you ever been?
I'll see you next video.
Okay, it's fun.
You couldn't choose a non-sweating video.
I mean.
It's fun. It's a little course, and then they